Namaskar from your Sanmitra, Sustainability, Hydrogenwala, Shardul Kulkarni. Friends, welcome to this knowledge snippet on hydrogen. Few days back, India became the first country to officially define green steel as predicted in one of our episodes. Economical green hydrogen is of paramount importance for green steel, and your friend Hydrogenwala is going to explain how India has defined green hydrogen, what are the pricing levels for its adoption in making the green steel, and what are the possible levers for optimizing the green hydrogen. Please refer slide here on green steel. Green steel shall be defined in terms of percentage greenness of the steel which is produced from the steel plant with CO2 equivalent emissions intensely less than 2.2 tons of CO2 per ton of finished steel. The greenness of the steel shall be expressed as a percentage based on how much steel plant's emissions intensity is lower compared to 2.2 CO2 per ton of finished steel threshold. For example, 5-star rated steel is defined as steel with emission intensity lower than 1.6 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of finished steel. Likewise, 4-star green rated steel is defined as steel with emission intensity less than 1.6 to 2 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of finished steel. And 3-star green rated steel is defined as steel with emission intensity between 2 to 2.2 tons of CO2 equivalent per ton of finished steel. Please refer slide here on possible applications of green hydrogen and associated range for economic GH2 for its widespread adoption in the steel industry. At present, small quantities of grey hydrogen between 500 to 700 m3 per hour are getting used for steel annealing. Tipping point for hydrogen pricing for annealing application would be around $4 to $5, $4 to $4.5 per kg of the green hydrogen. Next application is 100% green hydrogen for DRI making. Tipping point for green hydrogen pricing for green DRI would be USD 2.5 to 3 per kg of hydrogen. Next applications are partially replacing coke and natural gas, typically blast furnace fuels. Here, economic range is very intense. That means you need more economic hydrogen to replace the underlying fuel. The range is between 1.7 to 2.75 dollars per kg. Your friend Hydrogenwala is involved for feasibility studies of economic hydrogen in various steel applications. Hydrogen is location specific phenomena. First step is to assess what is the landed RE price for given location. Basis the same, what could be the best technology and best LCOH for the given location. There are several optimization levers as optimized levelized cost of energy, right technology selection, business model innovation, byproduct O2 utilization, carbon benefit assessment that needs to be applied. Result is optimized LCOH in the given range for a particular application. Your friend Hydrogenwala has established feasibility for economic green hydrogen at sub $2 per kg for deliveries in 2026. To sum up, green steel in India is defined with a carbon intensity less than 2.2 kg per kg of finished steel. Economic hydrogen is crucial for green steel. Your friend Hydrogenwala is involved in transition to this green steel through economic green hydrogen using several optimization levers such as technology, business innovation, use of byproducts, and the carbon revenue. To receive such videos, please like and subscribe. Please share with your colleague who may find it interesting. Thank you and see you soon with such knowledge snippet on God's molecule.